So, intermediate class per seat here at Iriga City. So, nandyan Anton Cortez, Caria Celestino. Parang nandyan si Nigel, Christopher Mercado, Edsel Marahas. Si Lerek Rivera nandyan. So, bakbakan na to guys. Intermediate category first seat. Ayan na, binitawan na! Naka-whole shot McLaren. McLaren Bellacorta got the whole shot. Wow. Nawala ang mga rider guys. McLaren Mercado, Celestino, Anton Cortez. Wow. Tuara. Ikalima, Lyric and Nigel.
Local enduro to the waiting area. Local enduro rather to the starting gate now.
So, nakauna. It's McLaren Bellacorta. McLaren Bellacorta on the lead. And then Mercado on second. Anton Cortez versus Celestino. Wow. Ayun no. Outside. Nakagawas McLaren. Mercado second. Celestino versus Anton Cortez, battle for third. Nigel on fourth. Wow. Yes, Amdengan. Grabe. Almost breakaway McLaren. Ang lakas ni McLaren ngayon guys. Wow. McLaren Bellacorta. Breakaway na. Wow. Mercado on second. Celestino on third. Anton Cortez on fourth. Wow. Lumalaban na Anton Cortez kahit masakit yung kamay. It's Lerek Rivera. Breakaway na si McLaren guys. Mercado on second. Caria Celestino and Anton Cortez. Oh. Mercado and Celestino. Cortez Sport.
Followed by Nigel Torre and then followed by
Nigel on fifth. White flag.
White flag. Last lap na po tayo.
White flag.
Yes, so after the intermission, we will be having the local enduro.
White flag.
Only as of this time,
Oh. Parang lumalapit si Celestino kay Christopher Mercado.
hopefully, before the last race,
Oh. Bullet Sport.
we'll have a quick
So hopefully matapos natin yung 17 categories for tayo makapag-lunch break. So thank you po yun. Deposito tayo ngayon sa
whatever kung ano yung matapos natin. And then the rest, tuloy-tuloy na yun.
The battle of second. Checkered flag. McLaren. Second, Mercado. Third, Celestino. Gandang laban, guys. Fourth, Edge, Anton Cortez. Checkered.